If your shop feels like a constant trade-off, space versus capability, time versus precision, you're not alone. This is the Maverick 4x4 CNC system from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, built to replace complexity with capability. With a compact footprint and production level speeds, you get precision and performance that keeps up with real work. But where the Maverick truly stands apart is making furniture. Turntable legs, shape custom profiles, carved detailed components, even complex asymmetrical designs like Queen Anne legs, all in one setup. No lathe, no secondary operations, no wasted movement. From raw lumber to finished furniture parts, this is craftsmanship with speed built in. And when it comes to joinery, precision is everything. Cut mortises, tenons, dovetails, even complex mitered angles with repeatable accuracy. Tighter joints, cleaner fits, stronger builds. The open bay design removes limits. Run long rails, oversized components without redesigning your project to fit your machine. And with multi-tool workflows, your process doesn't stop. Less setup, less downtime, more finished parts every day. The Maverick 4x4 CNC system. One machine, total capability.